Hey everyone, here's a quick GTA market update. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to sell your home, the market isn't waiting for you. We are officially seeing a major shift in supply and demand as we head into summer. Right now, inventory is shrinking. We have 27,800 homes on the market. That's 4,000 fewer listings than this time last year. By the end of June, we expect that supply to tighten even further. But here's the kicker. Demand is climbing. This past May, we saw 6,600 sales, outpacing last May by 500 homes. Less supply, more demand. There's an old rule in real estate. An early spring market tends to lead to a slower summer, but a late spring market, like the one we're in right now, makes for a happy, highly active summer. The momentum is officially on the side of sellers. If you want to know what your home is worth in today's shifting market, drop a comment below or send me a DM. Let's chat.